These are app tester jobs. In this video, I'll be taking you through how to make money doing website and app testing jobs. As soon as you sign up, you'll be able to have access to this page. You can try by typing your country. I'm from Nigeria. If you type Nigeria, you'll be able to see specific jobs for your country. This particular job, they need Nigerians and so many people from other countries. Look at it. These are the list of countries, and you can see Nigeria here and so many countries. Just click worldwide. Scroll down. This is a functional testing for smartphone. Is worldwide. Do you love to take videos, get paid to record videos and provide feedback, share your pictures and get paid? You can become a software developer ambassador. Do you like to improve your English language skills, or you know someone who would like to? It is worldwide. These are current and ongoing jobs, and if you are watching this video at a later date, you always get jobs on this platform. These are different jobs you can access and start right now. There are jobs here constantly and continuously. As long as you use the link below the description of this video, you will have access to the current jobs. Please subscribe to this channel, like this video. Thank you so much for doing that. This platform also have an academy that is free with different testing courses that will take you a step-by-step how to do website and app testing. You don't need to know how to do software and app testing jobs. All you need to do is to come to this place, start learning. Look at it, academy. It is free. Introduction. They teach you how to use their tools, what is needed, what you look out for, how to prepare their report, how to take the screenshot, and it is free. You can both use this training for this platform and use it for any other website that will pay you for doing website and app testing jobs. So this website is loaded. All you need to do is to use the link below the description of this video. They have payment methods that will help you access your payment from anywhere in the world, especially like AirTM, Payoneer, and Scree. My number one recommendation is AirTM. You will see the link to sign up to AirTM below the description of this video. If you use that link, AirTM will give you a gift of $1. Also, you can also use Payoneer. If you also use my Payoneer link that is below the description of this video, Payoneer will give you a gift of $25. You sign up, you fill your profile page, you tell them about yourself, you start accessing the different projects on this page. You click project. These are different projects for different countries. Please do me a big favor. Please subscribe to this channel, like this video. Thank you so much for doing that for me. Please don't forget to like this video, drop your comment, and watch the next videos about this platform, how to do the training step by step for free. And the second video will take you through 9 websites that will help you to do microtask jobs, and you get paid worldwide working with your phone, doing things that you normally do using your phone. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye for now.